Mazda. Good morning, guys. This is the advantage of a driver. You do things on your own. You don't have to depend to anyone. I go by my own time. Life of a free woman. No one is the same situation. So just be grateful for the life you have now. Okay?
You've arrived at your destination.
Pa dyan. Ang cute ng parking ko. I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload. Pero I was here last week. At ang daming problema nangyari. And it came to a point na bibili na tayo sa Amazon ng software na yun. I mean the gamit. Accessory. Pero sabi niya, meron daw stock sa Shake Side Road. And we're back. Finally. Hopefully, kasi mahal din siya girl. And I cannot buy just like that na accessory sa Amazon kasi the software has to be updated. And this was 2018 pa. And the first owner, hindi niya pinalitan. Puro USB lang ang gamit ng beshi ko. Sobrang matipid. So, for me, I want it updated. I want some changes in my life. Ayoko yung nai-stuck sa mga bagay-bagay na stagnant or paulit-ulit lang. So, ayun. Hopefully, Rashid will give me good news today. Okay, as expected, sabi ko na girl, parang ayaw ni God na palitan ko ang parts at baguhin itong car. I'm not sure. Is that a sign or what? Hindi na ako gagawa ng service dito. My purpose is just a CarPlay. So, this is bad review siya, besh. Buti na lang si ate girl, nakabayan. Nag-offer. Yan. Nag-offer siya ng coffee or chocolate. Na free naman. I had to do it today. So, I have to come back 3:30. I'm not sure kung makikita ko pa sila vlog. But I'm prioritizing things to be done today. At sabi niya, I had to leave it kasi it's gonna take 4 hours and they're only open until 5. So, grabe talaga. Parang ito na yung sign because this is the second time that I'm coming back here. Sayang ang gas, sayang ang effort, sayang ang everything girl na wala naman. At hindi naman siya aware. It's only available after 3. So plan B, we'll just head back. We'll just go to the mall as planned. Akala ko after pa, but mapapaaga tayo ng shopping today. 3 main goals ang gusto kong mabago kay Chase. CarPlay, install CarPlay. Tapos, car buffing or polishing. At yung sound system niya, besh. I want to change the... kala ko magkadugtong. I want to change the sound system. Kapag sa sarili ko, I'm saving up or nagkukuripot ako. But I love giving gifts to other people. Pero pag sarili ko na may kinalaman sa akin, kinukuriputan ko siya, besh, but this time, it's 2026, I wanted some change already. Kuya, anong oras ka matatapos? Pag driver ka na, napapagalan ka na. Charot. But when I started, syempre, mabagal tayo. Okay, so yun yung 3 main goals ko kay Chase. I've been wanting to do that since last year, 2025. Kaya lang nagbabago isip ko kasi nga, when I went to Australia, before going to Australia, I told to myself na isa sa mga birthday gift ko ay brand new car. Yes. I'm the type of person who want change sa buhay, regardless of how big or small yung mga small wins natin in life. But I want to brand new kasi okay na ako sa driving ko, so I wanted to experience a brand new. But life will take us sometimes on a different direction, different perspective, different goals and purposes na gusto mo pa sa buhay mo. Don't even know what other people are going through in life, diba? We just be grateful. And I'm always been grateful. See, one of my dreams, ang dami natupad noong 2025. Senior, travel with mama and papa. So many things in life. And I'm always been grateful talaga. So, this is a series pala of, OFW Life Weekend series. Tesla girl. OMG. Tesla. Gusto ko talagang, I wanted to reward myself with a new phone, AirPod, new designer bag. Because I believe I've been working so hard sa January. Kaya lang, at the same time, I wanted to save. So, I'm torn with what I wanted to do, with what I wanted to spend, and what I needed to save. Ay, ang pretty ko talaga, girl, today morning. Sabi nila, major sale, but mostly part sale ang nakikita ko, besh. 25. At yung mga naka-display ay hindi magaganda. May mabango dito sa Zara. May perfume. Mga dupe ng mga luxury brands. We'll check. It's available. Hindi mo talaga ako mapapabili ng damit, besh. Parang ukay girl lang ako. Or thrift shop kasi mahal pa din. Ang daming klaseng chocolates with kunafa. Kunafa. Diba? Ginaya na nila, besh. Cute. Oh my god, it's pink. It's pink, pink, pink. Ang ganda niya, girl. It's pink. Love it. But not sure. Ito na ako sa area ng dati kong trabaho. Yung pinakauna kong trabaho. Kaya lang, doon pa siya dati sa medyo harapan. Eh, lumipat na siya ngayon. So, I think this is the second time I'm gonna see it. And it became bigger, wider, tsaka mas mukhang aesthetic siya. Mas mukhang professional yung itsura niya. So, eto siya. Isa siya sa mga unang branch na clinic na Medcare Hospital. I was interviewed in Medcare Hospital 2010, but I was assigned as a pioneer dito. Medcare Medical Center. Yes, my first ever job. At yung mga kabatch ko dyan, nasa Amerika na din. Yung isa, ambulance nurse na sa Sharjah. Grabe ang progress at napaka-memorable niyan kasi I was there for 5 years. Kaya lang mababa pa din, besh. Pinakauna kong trabaho, pinakaunang sahod na nabigyan ako dito sa Dubai. Ang pretty ko pa rin sa hapon. Okay, I'm back. Almost 4 p.m. Chuada. I'm back. I've been wanting to do this, so kailangan talaga ng sacrifice, girl. Oh my god. Finally, besh, available na siya. I'm back in Mazda, as you can see sa video. But they're gonna close at 5:15. So, kailangan ko bumalik bukas. Nakaka-stress kasi busy ang Monday, overtime at traffic. But no other choice. Konting days lang, besh. Finally, magagawa na siya. Hindi ko lang ito kailangan. And it cost 945. Ouch. Okay, nandito lang ako sa isa sa waiting area nila. And I'm charging as well. Lagi ko dala ang charger because I have this. I love this. I love this sa car vlogging. Video recording sa car. But in between, I'm using the phone. How much is this naman? Grabe, ang dami girl. Busog na kiss. Na ice cream siya. Merong may birthday sa likod. Beshi, ang sarap nito talaga. Para siyang pastillas. And vanilla ice cream. Walang katapusan, Besh. Okay, today's good words are be grateful, be kind, and focus on your goals. And I'm just so grateful for life. I mean, people I know or kakilala ko, kasama ko, katrabaho ko are going through a lot of different challenges. So let's just be grateful for the life we have. If you are with your family, if you see them every day, if you spend time with them every day, if you have a job that pays the rent and bills and your other expenses, you have good friends, you have a partner, husband, kids, always be grateful because you don't know what other people are going through, right? So, ayun lang. I was able to speak with a good friend na may pinagdadaanan financially. It's so hard. Sabi ko sa kanya, kung meron kang wish ngayon, ano yon? Sabi ko. Tanong ko sa kanya. Tapos sabi niya, kung meron akong wish, besh, sabi niya, ang gusto ko ay maging single ulit. Walang inaalala, walang pinoproblema, sabi niya. Kinakamusta ko as of the moment yung mga friends ko, yung orig friends ko from college na kasi parang busy lahat sa buhay. Tapos ayun, okay naman. Itong si Jay ay nasa Amerika. So si Bing, si Ajoy, Pilipinas. Tapos ako dito. Nakamusta ko lang sila lately. Parang I just woke up today just to be grateful kasi some people are going through a lot and they don't share it, they don't show it, they keep it for themselves. So importante ang mental health lately. Actually nung pandemic nag-start na parang na-realize na importante ang good mental health. Last Sunday, sa dami ng aberya sa dami ng naging aberya last, I think I had to go back to Mazda 2 Sundays kasi hindi nga available yung CarPlay. May nakita ko na pwede naman siyang gawin other car shops, kaya lang kasi gusto ko Mazda because in the future we don't know if I'm going to sell this car. Na proud ako na yung mga nabago dito ay galing talaga sa Mazda. I mean, at least with this CarPlay, diba? Kasi 2018 na siya and there's no CarPlay. So finally, last Sunday, I had to leave the car kasi hanggang 5:15 lang daw sila. Tinawagan ako almost 4 na. So iniwan ko siya, then the next day, Rashid called me, it's ready at around 11. Kaya lang Monday is very busy for me. So sabi ko, pwede bang bukas na lang? That was Tuesday. Na-install na to, okay na siya. Pero hindi pala besh. Nung bumalik ako, sorry, meron tayong commercial. Ito kasi yung mga kita ko from my car lift. Binabayaran ako ng 2 ate girl na sinasabay ko sa work. Mga seniors din. Yan. So, nung ginawa siya, pinakita yan ni kuya. Yan. Pinakita ito ni kuya na ito yung binago. Kasi sabi ni Lablab, dapat meron kang ganitong icon para magamit mo siya. Wala kasi dito. Wala kasi siya dyan. So, yung model ng car was 2018. Dito, they had to change here at doon sa screen, di ba? So, nung nag-change na siya, ayan na yung logo. I have previous, USB na maraming types of, yan, for charging, right? Pero hindi siya gumana. Gumana dun sa IT na phone, sabi niya, you have to change your cable. So, I had to order pa sa Amazon. I tried it already several times nung Friday, especially yesterday, Friday, yan. Itong Anchor na to, good. So, nagbo-work talaga siya. Yes. So, it's working. Yan. Attach lang siya dyan. This one is my, it should be there always. Just close it. And, ayan na siya. especially Waze. I have to have Waze on the screen, so I won't use this one na. Finally, girl! Finally! So, Spotify. I don't drive without music. Sometimes silalakasan ko pa yan. So, yan ang aking mga ganap. Yes? So, yung Spotify ko, at hindi na nito kailangan ng Bluetooth. Bluetooth is not required. That's a thumbs up. Yes, that's it. I love it. Yan. Especially Waze. Yan. I was in Australia when he bought it. Oh my God, Besh! I'm cute. I'm cute. I love it. Thank you, love. Okay, we're gonna test now Waze sa aking CarPlay. And I got this. It's so cute. Pink version talaga siya, Besh. Pink Hydro Flask. I love Hydro Flask more than the Aqua Flask. Tapos, isasabit ko lang siya dyan. Tagal na akong di nakabili ng mga stuff sa Shein in fairness. Dubai Chocolate Girl. 5.99. Girl, I forgot to put my lip tint. So, kanina pala, I showed na yung bumili ako ng cable na i-connect lang siya even without Bluetooth. So, when I said, and he called, and he said, no, madaling bababa ang battery level mo. I mean, yung percentage niya. Dapat, sabi niya, bilhin mo ito. Yung pinakita ko sa'yo dati, yes, which was correct. So, dadaanan daw namin mamaya. At, Bluetooth naman yon. So, hindi ka mo kailangan mag-connect sa phone mo na parang it's like charging. No, parang Bluetooth lang siya para hindi daw mababawasan
Turn left on D80.
yung level ng
Street.
battery. So, nakita ko yun sa Amazon, Besh, around 200. So, we'll see later. So, ang hirap ng dalawa lang yung off. When I started with the job with Medcare, 6 days pasok naman siya. Pero kahit office job pa din, ang hirap pa din, Besh. Lalo na sa kind of work that I have. Hindi physical nang ginagamit mo brain. Charot. So, parang kulang siya, girl. Ang dami ko pang gustong gawin at lalo na ang magpahinga at matulog sana, kaya lang may kailangang unahin. Play ka pa. Grabe ang botsyog natin. Love is working until 5. So, nag-apply ako pala dyan before. Yung lumang building na yan. Yung halos dilapidated na siya. Nag-apply ako dyan before. Tapos, dalawa lang sila. Dentist, lalaki. Tapos, kabayan, receptionist. And he's expected me to have a DHA license daw. Pero yung itsura ng building, wala. Ayan no. Buti nga buhay na siya 16 years after. Dapat palitan na to kasi yung paligid niya parang hindi na siya dyan, angkop dyan, no? I am here. Ang sarap ng advantage ng seasonal parking ABCD zones kasi I don't have to worry. Alright. See you in a bit. Meron pang binigay si Sobia na chai. I prefer chai kasi more than tea. Shoot ang lamig. Ayun yung Aja Besh. Kita niyo ba? Baliktad. This is my nails. Tapos sa baba ibang color kasi nga regular lang naman siya. I love it today. I think 2 years na akong hindi nag-white. Tapos ito siya. Meron siyang accent. Sabi ko silver pero ang nilagay ata niya is gold. Lipat ka na, boy. Binibigyan ka niya ng karapatang lumipat. Ito yung sinasabi niyang brand na kailangan ko ang ilagay sa sasakyan. Ito talaga siya, girl. I think this is the exact one. Anong pag-pronounce yan, te? Deschus? This is slower. Now, ito na yung mahal. 219. Oh, watermelon.